And Ramadan Mubarak, everyone. Now for my 7 pieces of T-bone steak, I have 1 teaspoon of each of curry powder, tandoori spice, and powdered cumin, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 cloves of garlic, a handful of cilantro, 10 pieces of sliced ginger, and a handful of mint, and obviously 2 lemons. And to liquefy the mixture, I add some oil and half a cup of water just to make sure the T-bones can get properly coated. After thoroughly coating the T-bone steak, I add the rest of my mixture on top and I wrap it in tin foil. You're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. And a little bit before the T-bones are ready to come out of the oven, I add some butter on top. And you want to let that rest for 5 minutes. Now I'm just properly coating the T-bones with some butter. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you have an amazing time making my favorite T-bone steak recipe.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to make it thumbs up, Ramadan Kareem.